Guys, let's make the easiest chocolate cake ever. What I have in my bowl is my flour. I'm going to be adding my sugar. Next, I'm going to be coming in with my cocoa powder. All dry ingredients are going to be added together. That's my baking powder, followed by my baking soda and salt. I'm going to be leaving the recipe in the description box below. I'm going to be stirring everything together and coming in with my wet ingredient. I have my egg there, followed by my oil. Next is my milk. I'm going to be adding the flavor I put in and then mixing everything together. Then that's my vinegar, white vinegar. Then that's my warm water. This is it, adding everything together. Of course, I have to sieve because of particles and all that. I sieved all my dry ingredient, but I want to give it another sieve again. I'm going to be pouring into my baking tin and baking, and voila, that's a chocolate cake. Guys, this is the easiest recipe you can ever find. Try this and let me know if you have any difficulties. Thank you, guys.